your SketchUp like this, right? So this is the image, the model that you want to export. So try to kind of set the view. Then once that is set, then I choose the camera view to I set it to 2 point perspective. Yeah, so just like the way you are seeing it here now. Ehen. Yeah, so um the next thing I'll do, I click file, export to 2D graphics. You get, so when you export, after exporting, then I'll just find the file, then save the file there. All right, so once that is done, and just rename it, rename it to um my preferred choice. You get, so once I've renamed it, um once I've renamed it, change the name to something else, right? So I'll just head down to my browser. So you get, so just the way I did it here. Yeah, so then the next step, I just I want to show you what the output will look like. So this is, this is after exporting it, and then this is how, yeah, after the rendering, this is how the output, this is how it's going to look like. Then after that, okay, I just exported the file, so I'll head down to my browser and go to ChatGPT. So I'm trying to reload the sites. Then I just head down to import a picture. So I just click the plus icon. Yeah, so this is the image I want to import here. So click the plus icon, add image. Then now head to where you save the export file. Then open it. So here I didn't kind of open it here because I already done it. Yeah, so then this is it here. So just type in this prompt, right? So just type in this prompt on it. The way I did it, just type the prompt, and then this is the output. So this is exactly what you get. So just try it out, and then you know um give me feedback what you were able to come up with.